Alright, I'm in Chinatown on Baldwin Street, and this place is called Charidise, and I'm trying their daily special today, curry beef with rice. There's a hard-boiled egg, and I have a lychee mojito, and we have a gorgeous view of Toronto skyline. It's okay. Yeah. On a live stream with out and about with yours truly, Liz OC. I am doing my food review for what's cooking with Liz OC, and we got some spring rolls here. They have a great menu, so check them out. Here's their website. And they're on Baldwin Street between Beverly and McCall. Alright, I'm gonna give it a try. I already had a bite. It's really good, tender. Just trying to find a small piece to bite into. Chunky beef pieces. Okay. Very tender. Flavorful, not too strong in the curry. It's perfect. Got some rice and the curry gravy. Very good. Got some corn. Egg. Very good. I'm gonna try their spring roll. This is really good. Come to Chinatown on Baldwin Street. Charidise. Very good.